Hey guys, and welcome to my pamper evening routine. If you don't know what a pamper evening routine is, I'm just basically going to show you what I do when I want to take some me time, relax, and just forget about the world for a bit. So I figured since the weekend is coming up, this is a perfect time to do this video. I'm also going to be using these amazing Treehouse Pakistan's all organic scrubs. So if you're excited, then give this video a thumbs up and let's just get started. Okay, so first off, when you return home, when you're all tired, when you really don't want to take your makeup off, but that is the most important step, guys. Don't go to bed with your makeup on. So first of all, what I'm going to do is to remove my makeup, I'm going to use this Tony Moly cleanser. I'm just going to put this on a cotton pad and rub it on my face, just generally जिस तरह से आप micellar water use करते हो. Then I'm gonna use a oil-based cleanser just to make sure that all the gunk and pollution has gotten off of my skin. And today I'm using this one by Boscia. This is the Makeup Breakup oil. Just like massaging it in my face. Now every step of the way you just want to forget about everything. Try to relax a little bit. I just took off this cleanser by just water, and then I'm gonna take this Body Boom coffee scrub from Treehouse Pakistan. This smells so amazing, you guys. It's not too gritty, but it's just like the right amount of abrasive, and you can see you need the tiniest amount, and I prefer using it like once a week. It does such a great job, you guys. I mean, if I weren't to use a face wash after this would be perfect for my skin. I wouldn't even have to use a moisturizer. Now I'm just gonna wait for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna come back, wash the scrub off, and then you can see how glowy my skin looks. Then I'm gonna use my Himalaya Neem face wash. You guys know this is my holy grail and just helps keep any breakouts at bay. Obviously I did my skincare and everything after that, but you guys have seen that before. I'm gonna link that video down below. Now since this is a pamper evening sort of a video, I love giving myself pedicures. So firstly, I just took some warm water. For me it works best with white vinegar. After that, I'm gonna take some baking soda. I took like 1 teaspoon of it, and then I'm gonna put some shampoo in it. This one I didn't really like for my hair, so I just use it in pedicures. But lastly, I'm gonna use some almond oil. This is the Marhaba wala almond oil, about half a teaspoon or a teaspoon worth of it, just to soften your feet up. Then I put my feet in it, and then I left them in for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I went in with this Body Boom coffee scrub from again Treehouse Pakistan, and this is in the flavor strawberry. The first one was in coconut. There's not a good way to do this on camera, guys. This is perfect for strawberry legs agar ingrown hair se aapko masla hai. This pedicure also helps in removing tan, and then they have this mint flavor as well, which is also very refreshing. I would definitely recommend all of these. One packet costs 800 rupees and it comes with 30 grams, and you don't really need much at all. This one packet could cover your whole body thrice. It's totally worth every single penny. And then you thought the footage was over. It's not. I'm just going to file my nails as well and paint them while I'm at it, because this just seems very therapeutic to me. I am just going to cozy up. Agar aap gande bed mein so rahe ho, you'll never be able to relax. Fairy lights make everything so pretty. I'm obsessed with these ones I got from Aliexpress. I'll leave the link to them down below. And then I'm just going to bed. A failed attempt of showing you guys very glamorously, but editing is what I do mostly before going to bed. So this is what I'm doing, and when I'm done, I just shut my laptop off. Guys, I hope this video made your day better. Love yourself, because you're all you have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.